Hi guys, I'm gonna show you my IPSY GLAM bag for it's September 2020, and this is what the bag looks like. It's a corduroy, like a camel color, and it has like the little IPSY tag attached, and inside it has like the burgundy with the IPSY inside. Really cute bag. And on this side it's in a different color, like a burgundy. So this is really nice. I have taken the items out of the bag, and yeah, so let me just show you what else came in the bag. This card, and it says good vibes, and it's for September 2020. And in here it has the list of the 5 products which I will be showing you in a few minutes. So yeah, this is what the card looks like in the front. And now I'm going to show you what I got. The first item is Fluide, and it says we are Fluide, and it says liquid lipstick and candy bar, and that's the color. And it's a lip gloss, so it's not like a lip gloss, but it has like the little stick here. So you just look at this like this. And this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty color. And it says here it's all gender expression and identity, all skin tones. So it says it's not sticky. It's a not sticky color. So I'm just reading through it. Not the whole thing. And that's that. And yeah. The next item that I received is from Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls Curl Defying Lotion Humidity Shield. Defines and locks in soft frizzy free curls, and it says it has silk protein and vitamin E, and it's free of all those things down below here. I'm not going to say all of this, but yeah. And it's a lotion, and again, this is what it looks like, and it's by Marc Anthony. The next item that I received is by Benefit, and it says the Porefessional Hydrating Primer, and this is for the face. And I forgot to say that the last item by Marc Anthony is for the hair, so you know. And yeah, this item, like I said, is by Benefit, and this is what it looks like in the front here. I mean, inside, sorry. It's a little tube, like a sample size. And again, this is a primer by Benefit. Then the next item, I hope I'm saying this right, Marcella. And this is an eyeshadow. And I'm just going to tell you what it says here. It says Marcella Beauty. And it is an Enchanted eyeshadow collection, single, and the color is Smoke Topaz. And so, this is what it looks like inside. And I'm just going to swatch a little on my hand just to show you. It's like a shimmery. And this is it here. Pretty color. And again, this is what it looks like. And then the last item is called Freematic Blush Doucce. Doucce or Doucce. Sorry if I'm not saying that right. Freematic Blush. So this is a blush. And I guess the color is Zing Orange. And this is what it looks like. It looks like one of the other ones I've had before, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you it on my hand. Let me just... Okay, so this is what this looks like. It's the peachy color. And that's what it looks like. And again, this is what it looks like here. And this is the name. And these are all the items that I received in my IPSY GLAM bag. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.